All right, we're going to go over lesson 25 cool down. So remember, if you haven't completed this, go ahead and answer these two questions first and then come back to the video to check your answers. So on the first one, remember this is like saying how many hundredths are in 1 6/10. And so there's a couple of different ways that we could look at this. One way you can think of this as just 160 divided by 1. So 1 6/10 divided by 100th is equal to 160 divided by 1. And so we know that's just going to be 160. So that is the answer to this one. And, another way you can reason through it is, remember there's 100 hundredths in 1, and then there would be 60 hundredths in 6. So if we put that together, we get 160. Now on the second one, it's going to be, very similar. So 2 87 hundredths divided by 100th is going to be the same thing as 2 87 divided by 1. And so our answer is just going to be 287. And, if you think about how many hundredths are in 2 87 hundredths, we have 200 hundredths would make up 2, and then 80 hundredths would make the 8 tenths, and then the extra 7 hundredths would be added to that. And so that's how we get the 287. So these are your answers for your cool down. And so if you missed them, go back in Kami and make the corrections before you turn it in. And if you have any other questions, let me know.